What you'll need is about 500 grams of pure beef minced meat. This recipe is enough for roughly 4 tortillas. Do mind, these are mini tortillas. So 4 mini tortillas, 4 pieces of burger cheese, whatever you like. I'm going to use some cheddar, some shredded iceberg lettuce, some salt and some pepper. And finally, our Big Mac sauce. I'm going to leave a link in the cards to a previous video where I show you how to make it. First of all, we're going to prepare our meat. Take a mixing bowl and put your meat in there. If your meat is already seasoned, you don't have to do anything. Mine isn't, so I'm going to season it with some salt and some pepper and give it a good knead. Once everything is incorporated, split your meat into 4 equal parts. Take your tortilla, take one of your meatballs and just put it on there and then just press it as firmly as you can against the tortilla. There you go. Once that's done, let's start cooking. Take a pan and put it on a medium-high fire. Put some oil in there. I'll be using some peanut oil and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, take your tortilla and place it meat side down in the pan. Take a burger press, or if you don't have one, take a pot and just smush it. Make sure it's way flat. Press down real hard and let it fry until it's golden brown. Flip it, take your piece of cheese, put it on top and put a lid on it. Once your cheese has melted, just take it off the fire. All there is left now is just add a little bit of sauce and some lettuce on top. And there you go, you have yourself a nice Big Mac taco. Just smush it and enjoy.